Hello, friends. Welcome to NH Vihari, a new horizon to explore things around. We wish you all a happy new year 2022. We have not yet published any videos for a long time here. We are sorry for that. There is a great purpose behind sharing this video today. In fact, this is our responsibility too. As you people know that we have raised fund to support the two kids of Chand Kajawali from Uppalpadu, Anansaram Mandalam, Nellore district, AP, who went for livelihood to Jharkhand and lost his life in an accident. You have given a huge response and supported financially a lot. Thanks for that. The fund of 2 lakhs plus which we have collected was fixed deposited on the two kids' names 1 lakh each under the scheme Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana. We would particularly thank the major contributor Mr. Praveen Kapadia from Gayatri Parvar for his quick response by sending huge amount. And would like to thank VPR sir Urbindi Prabhakar Reddy garu and for his financial and moral support. Then Pennam Reddy Penchal Reddy who has contributed a huge amount and for bearing one child education. And we would like to thank Uppalpadu villagers, Gayatri Parivar team and team MMVB for their support. And you can go through the video which is the voice of Gayatri Parvar Parveen Kapadia on this program.
Hello everyone, I am Praveen Kapadia from Gayatri Parivar of Long Island, New York, USA, a non-profit organization affiliated to All World Gayatri Parivar, Shanti Kunj, Haridwar, India. I came to know from Narendra that two little kids from his village named Rashida and Rukhsana, aged 6 and 4 years respectively, lost their father in an accident in India, and he has set up a fund drive through Milap to collect 2 lakh rupees for them. I know Mr. Narendra of Delhi Infotech Private Limited since we collaborated with his company for the website designing of our organization. I have been observing his sincerity and dedication towards the task given to him. Not only that, he has a big heart with full of kindness to set up fund drive for these kids to help the family. Accident of Chand Basa and the condition of his two daughters felt so much that we transferred $50 immediately to the fund drive. After a few days later, I came to know that the date for the fund drive was extended to reach the targeted amount. I called Narendra and found that rupees 75,000 needed to reach target amount. I called immediately all my members here in USA and requested to donate generously, and within a couple of days we got enough commitment to send money. I transferred 75,000 rupees to Narendra to reach the targeted amount. We feel very grateful and happy after knowing that the fixed deposits were made in the names of both the kids under Sukanya Samruddhi Yojana, a scheme of central government of India. I thank Narendra for his kind gesture in establishing fund drive and thank all USA members of Gayatri Parivar for their generous contribution for this cause. We also wish all the very best for the bright future of Delhi Infotech Private Limited and NH Vihari. Thank you so much. God bless the family. Bye.
Thank you for watching NH Vihari, a new horizon to explore things around. Please subscribe to our channel for a social cause. Thank you.